Hi, this is Dale Guiducci coming to you once again with another video here on YouTube. It's also going to be at our website at www.eracreditservices.com. Now, this video is all about developing a significant income in the credit restoration or credit repair industry. Now, if you're somebody that wants to get into the industry, or maybe you've already started and you have your own entity, your own company, and you want to dabble, you just want to make some, say, side hustle income, a few $100s a month, maybe a little bit more, then this particular video is not really for you. We're talking about a significant income. However, you still should take a look at our business model, because probably even more so, because if you're coming into this industry and again, looking to dabble, looking to make some side hustle money, you don't want to go through a significant setup period of time and having to do all this work to get your business set up and all the expense that it's going to take to get your business set up and then be limited as to what you can do. No, take a look at our business model. I'm going to put a link down below this video in the description so that you can go and watch a 30-minute detailed overview video so that you can understand that, wow, this is a lot more simple, right? A lot quicker to get started, a lot more affordable to get started, and you can be up and running in a couple of days. So for those of you, again, dabblers and just make some side hustle income, definitely click that link. Now, for those of you that are going, no, I want to make a significant income, stay tuned for this, because I'm going to share with you exactly how to do that. Stay tuned. All right, well, welcome back. And again, this video is about how to develop a significant income in the credit repair business. And of course, you got to do a lot of business. That's the obvious answer. But how do you do a lot of business if you're starting your own credit restoration or credit repair business? And it really comes down to your thought process, right? And you've got to have the end game in mind as you're going through every stage of getting your business set up. You can't think about how to develop a significant income once you've already set up your business, because now you're locked into a specific business model, and that business model might not be able to scale. So keep that in mind, right? That's very, very important. The other thing is you've got to decide, do you want to be a solopreneur or do you want to be an entrepreneur? All right. So what's the difference? Well, a solopreneur, the word solo, you're doing everything yourself. Yes, you own your own business. You work for yourself, so to speak, but you're the only employee. Someone said it the other day, and I forgot this saying, chief cook and bottle washer. Like, you do it all, right? You're going to do all your own marketing, all your own sales, all your own admin work, all your own customer support. So what's the problem with that? Well, it's limiting, right? You can only do so much business if you're doing all, it just makes sense, right? It's a mathematical equation, right? You can't do that much business, okay? Well, you want to decide perhaps then, if you want a significant income, you want to become an entrepreneur and you want to oversee your credit restoration or credit repair business, but you don't want to necessarily be doing all the jobs. You may want to do one or two of those jobs. Like I said, sales, marketing, admin, customer service, there's other things as well. You may want to be doing one or two of those jobs, but you want other people involved so that you can oversee what they do, but you don't have to do it 8 hours a day, right? You can go out and build your business. So that's really important. Do you want to be a solopreneur or do you want to be an entrepreneur? You've got to make that decision. Okay, so let's say you decided to become an entrepreneur, right? Which is the right answer if you want to build a significant income, right? It gives you a lot more latitude, flexibility, time to be able to go out and actually build your business. Let's say you do that. But as I said, you're going to need other people to do some of the work for you, right? You're going to need staff. So you could potentially, if you're somebody that likes to meet people and talk with people, and you're good at getting the word out about your business, maybe you want to do the marketing and sales, and you want to bring somebody on that's going to do the admin and customer support. That would be a way to free your time up to be able to go and expand your business. Or maybe it's vice versa. Maybe you like sitting behind a desk and analyzing credit reports and drafting dispute letters and all of that. And maybe you're not that people person, right? But so you hire someone to go out and do that. no matter how you look at it, you're going to have some staff in order to be able to expand your business, right? So here's the challenge with that. The challenge with having staff in a credit repair business. Well, first of all, COVID has thrown a wrench into that works because it's hard to get people that want to work anymore, isn't it, right? I mean, restaurants are struggling. A lot of companies are struggling to get employees. So you're going to be part of that struggle. You're going to have a hard time finding somebody that wants to work. And then you've got to be able to train them and have some way of overseeing them. I mean, you could have somebody that works at their home, but you have to monitor their work, or you could hire somebody overseas to do some of that admin work, say, but you're going to have a way to oversee that. So there's some challenges in that. But the biggest challenge is this. It's your margins. The margins in the credit repair business, they're not great. Let's face it. So, you're going to charge about $100 for someone to get started and about $100 a month to be on service with you. Well, at those kinds of margins, you got to do an equation. How many customers can I bring in a month at $100 a piece? And then I can build my residual over time. But do I have enough in my profit to be able to pay all my overhead, pay myself, and also pay staff, right? And that's going to be tough. That's going to be tough. You're going to have to do a lot of sales. And of course, you can put the pencil to it, but you're going to have to do a lot of sales to get to the point where you could bring somebody on to be able to do that work for you. I have a solution to that, right? It's our business model. Again, remember I said, you've got to have the right business model going in that's going to allow you to scale and grow your business from the start. Not think about it 6 months down the road and want to scale your business and then all of a sudden, okay, you're locked into a business model that's not going to allow you to do that. Our business model allows you to do that. Why? Because from day one, we provide staff for you. So when you go out and you bring in a customer, okay, now if you like to sit behind a desk and do dispute letters and that's how you want to run your credit repair business, maybe not a great solution. But if you're the kind of person that wants to go build your business, you want to take the reins, well, all the admin work you can offload to our expert staff, people that are better at that than I am, certainly. And my guess is you as well, right? They're trained. This is what they do every single day. They analyze credit reports, draft dispute letters, pull credit. They do all that. And they do the customer support. That's what they do. That's what they're highly, highly trained and very, very good at. So you can offload those two jobs to them. So you already have staff. Right? You don't have to worry about hiring somebody and employee tax and insurance and Social Security disability and training them and overseeing them. No. That's all done for you. Your job is to go out and build your business. Go out and get the word out about your business and make sales. That's what you do. So a much, much better solution. And we're going to talk about another point here in just a minute that's even more important to allow you to be able to scale your business. So even if you come on board with our business model or find a way to hire staff and work in a different credit restoration business model, right? Either way, you have staff that now you can offload some of the jobs to. And let's say maybe you're doing the sales and marketing. That's still a limiting business model, isn't it? Because you can only do so much. There's only so many hours in a week, so many hours in a day, so to speak. So how are you going to scale your business beyond that? Well, in the credit restoration business, it's very difficult to do. With our business model, though, it's not, because you have the ability to bring on other independent business owners, and they're part of your organization. This is much like what Keller Williams Real Estate does, what EXP Real Estate does. It's much like in the real estate industry in general, where you have a real estate broker and they bring on agents and the broker gets paid every time an agent makes a sale, or an insurance broker, an insurance agent. There's a lot of industries that work like this. We just chose that business model because it makes sense when you've got a low margin service that you're selling. Again, $100 a month. So it makes sense to do volume. How are you going to do volume? By having other business owners in your organization, so when they make sales, when they do sales revenue, you get paid on it. I'm telling you, it's absolutely brilliant because it allows you to scale your business in an unlimited manner. Like, you could have as many other business owners, we call them agents. You can have as many other agents as you want inside your business, and they in turn can go out and get other agents. So we've got an opportunity where your business can grow with or without you. It's amazing. And here's the best part. You don't have to train these agents. The training system trains these agents. You don't have to worry about their customers. Why? Because our customer support and our staff takes care of their customers. You're not taking on added responsibility. You're taking on added sales revenue and income. And you can't do that if you start the credit restoration business on your own. You've got all those responsibilities and you have to pay people to come on board. And so it's limiting. And what I'm trying to share with you is to build a significant income in this industry, you've got to have a business model that's unlimited. And that's what we have. So again, as I said at the beginning of this video, I'm going to put a link to our website, to a video, 30-minute detailed overview business model or business video, sorry, and it's going to share with you the services that we have, because we do way more than credit repair. Yes, credit repair is a great service, but there's a lot of ways to help people increase their credit score, and that's going to help you market your business, because you're not going to be a Me Too company. You're going to be different, and you're going to have more, and you're going to provide more value to the client. So we're going to show you those services. We're going to talk about what you earn per customer. We're going to talk about how you scale your business. A lot more detail of what I'm talking about right now. Our training program, the cost of getting started, and for most of you, it's going to blow you away, and you're going to want to talk with us. So on that web page, you're right below the video, you're going to be able to click a button and it's going to bring up a calendar, and you're going to be able to pick a day and time that you want to talk that's available on our calendar. And it's probably going to be me, but don't be disappointed if it's not me. I can't do it all, right? I'm an entrepreneur. I oversee. I love this part and I love talking to people, so I do most of the calls, but it may not be me. If it's not me, don't worry about it. I'll still be involved with your business and your development for sure. And you'll be seeing a lot of me through the training and so forth. So no worries there. But book a phone appointment and get on the phone with me or somebody else, and we'll just answer your questions. We'll talk, we'll fill in the blanks, so to speak, for you. And we'll just have a conversation and see if this is the right fit for you. But you gotta have a staff. And you've got to have a way to scale your business, because if you don't, I don't care how much you invest in your credit restoration business and how much you love your credit restoration business, it's going to be limiting, and you don't want to be limited, do you? This is Dale Guiducci, ERA Credit Service. I hope you got a lot out of this video. I look forward to talking to you soon. Take good care. Bye now. Top is up.